Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you? It's been an honor for being a part of Winner Conference 2024. Let me begin to introduce myself. My name is Bagus Pratnya Paramarta. You can call me Bagus. I'm from Mercu Buana University, Jakarta, Indonesia. Here, I've done collaborative work with my colleague, Mila Irmawati. She is a lecturer of UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, Indonesia. Here in this opportunity, I wanna present about our research. This research entitled Cognitive Comprehension of Dutch Indonesian Idioms in Indonesian Dutch Bilingual. As you know that in general from various scholars have argued that language has both literal and figurative meanings. When literal meanings refers to the exact meanings and figurative meaning refers to symbolic meaning. So it cannot be directly interpreted. In the education setting, it is common that figurative one is the major language to convey the certain connotative meaning. One of the intents of figurative language is idioms. However, still not many studies have examined the process of idioms in monolingual and bilinguals. Therefore, the present study intends to investigate the cognitive processing of idiom used in the bilingual population. The norming study was first conducted to gain normative data, familiarity, affective valence, frequency, and imageability of Dutch and Indonesian idioms. This is followed by the cognitive task using a lexical decision task to test the comprehension process and whether there are bilingual effects during the process. The preliminary results suggest that there is a bilingual effect on the comprehension process of idioms where reaction times data and accuracy rates depict the result. As a basic result, the current study will provide the basis for further investigation on the use of Dutch Indonesian idioms in more experimental and or applicative approach. In addition, in the terms of the SDGs criteria, the study applies the relationship between the language used to improve the quality of education, specifically of communication in the classroom setting. For more details, the objective of the study are as follows. First, how does the normative data of Dutch and Indonesian idioms behaves? Second, how does the cognitive processes of the idioms and Indonesian Dutch bilinguals? Third, do bilinguals impact the comprehension process of idioms? To answer this research question, we conducted a norming study using a Likert scale questionnaire to rate the idioms both in the Dutch and Indonesian in the terms of their familiarity, emotional valence, frequency, and imageability. We also ran an experiment involving a lexical decision task with 100 Indonesian Dutch bilingual aged from 18 to 30. These participants all Indonesian diaspora living in Netherlands for working, studying, or permanent residence. We use 50 Dutch idioms and 50 Indonesian idiom as the material for building our experiment. All participants are voluntarily participating in the study. The results of the study were as follows. First objective, there are familiarity, affective valence, frequency, and imageability. Second objective, Indonesian idioms are processed faster and more accurately for Indonesian dominant bilingual. Thus, idioms are processed faster and more accurately for Dutch dominant bilingual. Third objective, there are bilingual effect on the process of idiom comprehension. I'm gonna show you about our discussion and conclusion. From the norming study, there are description of normative data, familiarity, effective valence, frequency, and imageability of Dutch and Indonesian idioms. The data can be used as a baseline for further research related to Indonesian and Dutch idioms. Furthermore, the cognitive tasks using a lexical decision task reveal the reaction times and accuracy rates of the idioms in both Indonesian and Dutch, which inform the speed process of the participants' Indonesian Dutch when performing cognitive tasks in their brain or mind in the form of idiom in the sentence context. Finally, the bilingual effect seems to have an impact on the comprehension process of idiom in bilingual, where the language dominance play a role in influencing the result. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.